115. But since that's on the homework, we'll make that 115 modified. Okay, for problem 115 it says nutrition. According to the Center of Science and in the public interest, the average teenage boy drinks 3 1/3 cans of soda. But I changed that to for part A, to the average teenage girl. Drinks. We want to know how many the average teenage girl drinks. We want to know the average teenage girl drinks how many. Cans per week. Cans of soda. Well, in problem 115, it says here, according to the Center of Science and Public Interest, the average teenage boy drinks 3 1/3 cans of soda per day. The average teenage girl drinks 2 1/3 cans of soda per day. Okay, we want to know how many cans does the average teenage girl, we changed it to girl. We want to know how many does the average teenage girl drink in 1 week. So we know that the girl drinks, here it says that the average teenage girl drinks 2 1/3 cans per day. But we want to know how much does a girl drink in 1 week?
You times it by 7.
By 7, multiplied by 7, right. So this is 2 1/3 times 7. Okay, so go ahead and work the rest of this out. And while you're doing that, in your seat, I'll go ahead and work this out up here on the board. Okay? How do we do? Okay, why can we not cancel the 7s?
Because they're on top.
Because they're both in the numerator, right? You have to cancel from numerator to denominator. Okay, never from numerator to numerator. So the only choice that we have is just to go ahead and multiply. 7 times 7 is 49, 3 times 1 is 3, and then divide 3 into 49 is 16 with a remainder of 2. So that gives us 16 2/3 cans per week that a girl drinks.
That's a whole lot of drinks.
Yeah, yeah it is. Okay, that's part A. And part B, I changed that to each can contains 150 calories. How many calories does a teenage girl consume each week?
Multiply.
Okay, right.
It's not 16 and 2/3, it's 16 and 1/3.
Thank you, I've been over here trying to check what I did wrong.
16 and
1/3.
Yeah.
1/3.
1/3, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's go over this again. Okay, we have 7/3 times 7. Let's do this again. Okay, we got 7/3 times 7/1 gives us 49/3. So when we go to divide, 3 divides into 49. We got 3 times 4, that's going to be 1, so that'll be 3. And so we get 19. And so 6 times 3 is 18. And so we get a 1 remainder on there. So that gives us 16 and 1/3 cans. Okay, so from that, we can go ahead and look at the second question. Each can contains 150 calories. How many calories does the girl consume per week? So we're looking at 150 calories, and what are we going to multiply that by?
16 and 1/3.
Yeah, you can multiply 16 and 1/3, but since we have to convert it to an improper fraction, we can just use what? 49/3, right. Okay, and now what do we do? Can we multiply, or can we
It'd be 50/1
Right.
times 49/1.
well, we can divide the 3 into the 150, right?
Yes.
3 into 15 is 5, and bring up the 0, right? So now we're going to multiply 50 times 49, and that gives us how many calories?
2,450 calories.
Right, 2450 calories. Okay, you're taking 49, you're multiplying 50, right? Drop the 0, and then just multiply 5 times 49. Or 5 times 9 is 45, and up to 4, 5 times 4 is 20, 24.